This is episode 12 of Sleep Nation TV. I'm your host, Dane Schapper, and today we're going to take a look at the ResMed S9 Oximetry adapters, the different parts and how it actually records and looks on the machine. So let's start off by taking a look at the three different parts that you're going to need to actually use this oximetry adapter with your machine. First of all, we have the ResMed oximeter adapter. These are available to your local supplier for about $149. Now, it's not guaranteed that your local supplier will sell them to you, so you may have to look around, but that's probably the minimum price you would ever be able to find just this part for, is $149. This is going to connect into the back of the machine. Now, it is worthy to note that you'll only be able to use this if you have a ResMed S9 Elite or ResMed S9 AutoSet machine. The Escape does not have the ability to use these adapters. The second part you're going to need is, this is the Nonin X-Pod. So this is the actual oximetry unit. Although it's recording onto the machine itself, this is what's processing the information. So this end will connect to the front of the adapter, and it just slides in and clicks into place. So that's the second piece. The third piece is you're going to need some type of finger probe. Now this one's made by Nonin. They make a couple different types. This is kind of the type that actually goes over. It's made out of a rubber material. So it's going to go over your finger. You want the cord to be on top. They do make another option where it's a small little adapter with a kind of tape piece that holds it in place. So you'll place your finger in and basically tape that unit. It's kind of a one-time use. This is a reusable option. So this is going to connect to the X-Pod, and it just connects there, and then this little cover comes with it. You can put it over the top to kind of hold the two pieces in place, and it also gives you a little clip if you did want to clip that onto something. The X-Pod, I do not know the exact price, but I'm guessing this is probably going to be somewhere around $400 to $500 itself, and you're probably going to pick up another one of these for a few $100s. So if you're looking to buy something like this, you're probably looking at well over $500 of expense just to get this adapter that can attach to your machine. Let's go ahead and take a look at how this actually hooks up to the machine. So on the back side of the ResMed S9 units, you're going to see the memory card, and then over here this is where the power plug in. There's a little slot right here where that's going to plug in. So you'll just take your piece and slide it in until it clicks, and then when you turn on your machine, you'll notice it's going to record the oximetry data onto the memory card itself. To take that off, you just squeeze it on both sides. It comes off. And then, for example, if you're using this yourself at home, you would have to have also the software to be able to plug this into the computer and download and pull that data off of the card itself. If you're using it with a local supplier that's letting you use it for a night or so, they'll take the card with them and download it on their computer. So the other part of the ResMed S9 oximetry is going to be the report that it shows. And what I'll do is I'll attach an example report and put some text in there and kind of explain what all of the metrics are that it's going to be recording. So you can look for that. It will probably be in a separate post on our site. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us at sleepnationtv@gmail.com. And like always, you can find all of our videos at www.sleepnation.tv. Thanks for watching and have a great day.